Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day eye look. I love to play around with green makeup, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So just like most of my colorful looks, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay Bright Matte Palette, the Beauty Bay Bright 2.0, and the Meron Makeup Paradise. So this is the look we're going to be creating today. If you're interested to see how I did it, then just keep watching this video. So first things first, always start with your eyeshadow base. Mine anymore is just these two concealers mixed together. It's the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm, and then the 16-Hour Camo Concealer in white. I don't know why I had to look at that. It's white. I used to really love the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, but they seem to have discontinued that, even though it was like the greatest eye base I've ever had in my life. But now I don't have my glasses on, but I'm pretty sure the shade I'm going into is called Playground from the Bright 2.0 palette. And I'm just gonna run that through the first half of my crease, like my inner corner, and then halfway through my crease. Then I'm gonna take it on the outer corner and then just blend it up and outwards, like exactly where I would put my winged eyeliner. It doesn't matter if it's messy because we're gonna clean it up later. Honestly, had I thought about it, I would have used tape like I just did the other day. We're here now and I didn't do that, so. Now going into Kale from the Bright 2.0 palette. It's a much deeper green, and I'm just blending that into my inner corner and into the crease. Now going back into Playground, I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. So I'm back with a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out. It's maybe, slightly unrelated, but has anyone seen The Magical Legend of Leprechauns? Because I love to watch that movie on St. Patrick's Day. Now going back into Playground again, but with my denser brush. Then from the Bright Matte palette, I'm going to take Slice of Lime, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges. Just the top edges. I'm not so worried about the bottom ones or like the inner ones. And if you guys can tell, we're like leaving a space where these aren't connected just because I think that looks cool. I don't know. I did that before with my fish eye look, and I kind of liked it. I do feel like this needs to be glitterier. I need glitters. Please recommend me some glitters. I don't have like a face palette of glitters. It needs glitter, but I don't have glitter. I don't have green glitter. Oh, we have this highlighter. Oh, yeah. Oh, you guys really can't see it, can you? Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Now I'm going back into Kale again since we kind of lost a little bit of that. And I'm just gonna blend in some more into the crease. Next is the hard part. So next we are going into the Meron palette. And I'm gonna be using dark green, Amazon green. No. I'm gonna be using dark green and lime. The easiest way I can explain to draw a shamrock is basically by doing hearts. This was extremely hard for me to do. It's very far over on this side of my eye, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you may know that I need glasses. I cannot see super well. And this is my lazy eye. So this was extremely difficult for me to do, but if I can do it when I can barely see this part of my eye, you can do it, I promise. I just wiped off my brush. By the way, these brushes are by Glisten Cosmetics. They are amazing eyeliner brushes. Now, I'm going to go in with the lighter green, and I'm going to draw the other one. I started with light green first, so let's do that. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I think these ones turned out better, and I can actually see what I'm doing right now. This one almost looks like a 4-leaf clover. That was not the plan. Now I'm gonna let that dry real quick, and we're gonna go over it with the lighter green. I know that the Meron palette is quite the investment. I mean, it is like almost $100 palette, but if you like doing fun, colorful, creative eye looks, it really is like the one palette you need. Okay, now since we did a light green over green eyeshadow and it's hard to see, I did decide to go over and outline it. So I'm taking this teeny tiny little one. This is, I don't know what this brush number, oh, it's brush number 1. And I'm going back into dark green to like outline this. I don't think anyone's gonna argue with me that these ones look better. I think I got a little too confident, I'm not even gonna lie. For the finishing touch, I'm gonna do some like white dots. Now, because that's what I did on the other eye, I'm gonna go in with Cobra from the Bright 2.0. It's like a greenish gold. And I really thought that was gonna be like the shade, but it's not. Then I went over that with Lemonade from the Bright 2.0 palette, because it wasn't giving St. Patrick's Day enough. And then I figured out it was missing glitter. So I went in with the Glamlight Scooby-Doo Highlighter Duo. The green shade. Because look at the difference. That's incredible. That looks incredible. And then last but not least, because I did not put tape on today, we're just gonna clean her up. Alright, I'm going to go do my face makeup and we'll be back. I'm almost done, but I do want to add this LA Girl eyeliner to my waterline. This is the Pastel Dreams, and it's in Magic Mint, and I've always hated that because this is not mint. Like, this is lime. This is a citrus color. This is not mint. I've got glitter all over my face. Okay, the eye look is complete. I decided on the shamrock earrings because I feel like it matches it too well. Like, I have to do it. What do we think? Do we like this? Is this a good little St. Patrick's Day eye look? Ain't nobody gonna pinch you when you're wearing this eye look, you know what I'm saying? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful if you're looking for a cute little St. Patrick's Day eye look. If it is a holiday that you celebrate, or at least, you know, wear green because the whole pinching tradition, you know. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you are here. I'd greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays, and I post shorts on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Subscribe so you can see what I'm doing next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!